elevation of Sudlersville, White Clay Creek, near Newark,
Monday,
from this afternoon to
1.3 feet. Flood stage is 7.0 feet. Moderate flooding is forecast. The river is forecast to rise above flood stage by early tomorrow morning and crest below 11.0 feet.
rise above flood stage by late this afternoon and continue to rise to near 16.7 feet by after midnight tonight. The river will fall below flood stage by tomorrow morning.
National Weather Service and State College, Pennsylvania has issued a flood warning for the Conestoga River at Lancaster from late tonight to Wednesday afternoon until the warning is canceled. At 11 a.m. Monday, the stage was 4.2 feet. Flood stage is 11.0 feet. Moderate flooding is forecast. The river is forecast to rise above flood stage by after midnight tonight and crest below 14.5 feet by early afternoon tomorrow. The river will fall below flood stage by late Wednesday morning.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a flood warning for the Red Clay Creek at Wooddale from this evening to Tuesday afternoon until the warning is canceled. At 11:45 a.m. Monday, the stage was missing. Flood stage is 7.0 feet. Major flooding is forecast. Rise above flood stage by this evening and continue to rise to near 10.2 feet by after midnight tonight. The river will fall below flood stage by tomorrow morning. Impact at 8.5 feet. The parking lot at Tech Company floods.